If be used to something means be accustomed to something, it's a state to be accustomed. Get used to something means to become accustomed. It's a process of becoming accustomed to something. It's not a state. For example, I lived in Quebec all my life, and now I live in California. I hope I will get used to such a hot climate soon. Means I hope I will become accustomed to such a hot climate soon. It's my first day in this company, and I am already feeling exhausted. Don't worry, you will get used to it, meaning you will become accustomed to this job. You will get used to doing your job. You will become accustomed to it soon. I am trying very hard, but I just can't get used to eating this vegan food all the time. Meaning that I can't become accustomed to eating vegan food. I can't get used to eating vegan food all the time.
Paris is a nice city once you get used to it. And the French are nice people once you get used to them.
Meaning that Paris might seem like a strange place for a Chinese man at first, but when you get used to it, when you become accustomed to it, it will seem like a nice place. And French are nice people once you get used to them. When you get accustomed to them, that's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.